Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Signal profile privacy settings, beginner guide step by step clearly. Open the Signal app on your device. Tap on your profile icon located in the top left corner. Select privacy from the menu options. You will see a list of privacy settings. Start with profile photo. Choose who can see your profile photo. Options typically include everyone, my contacts, or my contacts except. Next, look at the About section. Decide who can view your About information. Again, select from everyone, my contacts, or my contacts except. Now, locate the Last Seen option. Select your preference for who can see your last seen status. You can choose between the same options for privacy, everyone, my contacts, or my contacts except. Next, check the Read Receipts setting. Turning this off prevents others from knowing when you have read their messages. Look for Typing Indicator settings. Disabling this will stop others from seeing when you are typing a message. Now, review the Blocked Users section. Here, you can see and manage users you've blocked. To block a user, tap on Add Blocked User and select from your contacts. Enabling this will prevent screenshots from being taken of your Signal app. Once you have made all desired changes, exit the privacy settings. Your configuration will be automatically saved. And that's how you configure your Signal profile privacy settings. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.